Hello everyone, Kojarex Slow pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser is a very nice cleanser. Let's get to product introduction. Human skin's natural pH is around 5. This slightly acidic environment offers ideal environment for skin. Don't get yourself fooled. Washing with water only in the morning is not acceptable even after the perfect wash day before at night. Skin produces dead skins and sebum while you sleep. Mildly acidic cleanser softly removes those waste and leaves skin hydrated all day long. With low pH cleanser, make your skin environment healthy and protect your skin barrier.